On today's video, we're going to learn how to add recurring dates for booking of trip in WP Travel. So now you can set different recurring dates, years, months and days for the same trip so that the trip can be shown available for different seasonal dates. If you are wondering how to add recurring dates for trips, please follow this step-by-step guide. So after activation of the WP Travel Pro plugin, recurring feature will be provided under the fixed departure setting, where you need to add fixed departure date. Also, you can select a pricing option which will be added under the pricing tab. If you want to learn more about this information, you can head over to the link in the description below so you can have a better idea. You can enable or disable the enable recurring dates option per your requirement by going to admin panel, trips, individual trips, prices and dates, and finally to dates. Here you will be able to see this enable recurring dates option, which is currently disabled. After enabling the option, you will find recurring every year, recurring every month, and recurring every date option is also enabled. If you want recurring features for the trip every year, month or day, just select the enabled option as shown in here. Then if you enable recurring every year, recurring every month or recurring every day option in the backend section, then the recurring days for the trip will be the days between starting and end date added in the backend section. So let's just set recurring weekdays dates to recurring every day and select our start date from 1st of February and end date to 8th of February. Now when you save your changes and head over to the front end page, here you'll be able to see when you click on book now, your trip recurring starts from 1st of February, and if you click on load more, you can see it ends up all the way to 8th of February. Pretty great, right? Also, you can set these recurring features for specific year, specific month or specific day as per your requirement. Fill those sections with possible dates, months or years as you can see in this front end section. And finally, if you select specific years, months and days for the recurring features of the trip in the backend section, then only specific recurring days will be available for the trip. Here in the front end section, you can see only selected day for recurring features which were selected in the backend has been displayed in here. So yeah guys, that pretty much wraps up our video, and if you learned something new in this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and share with your friends, and until next time, peace.